Good morning from a beach. We have an interesting video in store for you today.
We'll see if it's interesting or not.
It could be interesting
if
it gets interesting.
hit some obstacles.
Anyways, we're Greg and Jess with Trip to Journey. If you don't know, thanks for watching. If you do shop through our Amazon link below, we get pennies on the dollar and we greatly appreciate it. But we're going on a surf mission right now.
Yep.
And I just got a message back via the Instagram from Starlink saying that the road's gone and that a Sprinter van cracked its oil pan trying to get out there the other day. Which is disappointing because I got really excited about going to the spot. So we're gonna try today, see what happens.
Drive rain, found John's out hitting on the liquid gain. He want to late about 10:30 when he let loose for the catch right then. It was Sunday. Well, morning came and morning when he tried to make me pay the rent. Said I ain't got no money if you cannot pay me away with these dancing shoes. Thought I was kidding.
Which is kind of a base camp for the surfing around here. And there's a little taco place called El Cactus. Literally the only place to get food around here. So we're gonna scope it out and see if they have any intel on the road to the surf break Greg wants to go to. Supposedly the road was washed out. How's the surf look, Greg?
It actually looks pretty good. Skipping it.
Greg's like, we gotta go surf right now. Those fish tacos were pretty good. Some of the best we've had, not the best. But we also got some intel on the waves, so it sounds like the road is fine to go to where we want to go, but it also is probably more crowded up there. So what we're gonna do is the waves look really good right out here in front of the
surf until it ain't good.
So we're just gonna hang out for a little bit, find a place to park, and Greg's gonna surf. The rest of us are just gonna enjoy some sunshine, and then we'll see what the rest of the day brings. Want to tell us about your new board, babe?
Blackbird Hawkeye, twin fin. Very excited. Hasn't been waxed yet.
Brand new. All right, how was surf today?
Pretty good.
Busy?
It got busy.
You got some waves though.
It That's basically what I looked like out there. This wave is a little fast for me. I was told all the other ones around are a little bit slower, so we may have to venture out to look for slightly slower waves. There are very vicious dogs on this beach too.
There's like a chubby pug running up at camp.
Is that what's going on?
Yeah. So yeah, we're just having a little snack, hanging out at the beach. Sun's going down, it's getting a little chilly. We will see what the evening brings. We woke up to a beautiful sunrise. We hung out, met a new dog on the beach. We are getting ready to scope out a new spot. The tide here is really high, as you can see, and it's draining the surf, so we are packing up the van. Everybody's getting ready. We're gonna drive up the road and see how far we can get. Someone yesterday told us that it took them 3 hours to get like 30 miles. So we'll probably just see how the road is, and maybe there's another nice camp somewhere up the road.
My gut's telling me we're only gonna make it to that first spot.
Oh, that's soft.
Don't follow. Yet, at least. Okay, I think you can make that, you're good for a bit.
I don't know.
Sharpest rocks possible right there. No problem, it's paved.
Okay, we made it to another point this morning. It was a pretty drive, but it was long
And off-roady.
and off-roady, and we're not sure if we're gonna make it back out.
There's also about 70 cars here.
That's ridiculous.
And I really want to ride this board, so I'm gonna take it out even though it's probably not the right conditions for it.
Yeah. So overall, kind of crapshoot today.
Then we go back and try to get fish tacos.
See where it goes. Come on. Ah. How was the surf?
What, you want me to let you really know how it was?
Yeah.
It was a little busier than I would have liked, but it's a good wave.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep you fine.
Did you get anything?
I got a couple.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're back on the road. So we were hoping that that would be a nice beach camp to stay at for a couple days, but it is way too busy and we're not really into the parking lot situation. So we are gonna go back in the area where we started this morning and see what we can find.
If we can get out of here.
True, because it'll be bumpy.
Maybe wait at the bottom until I make it to the top.
Jeez. Woo, come on.
No problema. Might have spoke too soon. Alright, I made it.
We found camp down on the beach. There's some surfers. We might have a little fire. Yeah, that's it.
We parked in the, what shape would you call this?
It's
The
a,
U?
it's a C or U depending on how you're looking at
Oh
it.
yeah, if we get an aerial, depending on the aerial angle. Yeah, sun's gonna go down soon. We were gonna park up on the bluff over there. Someone didn't like it.
It was me. It was me. I didn't like it.
Brooke didn't like it.
I wanted to be on the beach.
So, it's fine. We're on the beach. It's nice. It's actually less windy over here. And the waves are supposed to be big tomorrow. I was told by one of the other guys that just came up, the hot shots will be out. So, we might get out of here pretty quick.
This guy is going to be out.
Yeah, maybe.
At least this is like pretty hard packed.
Yeah, I don't think it's, we would just have a soaking wet camp. Yeah, he's picking up all his stuff.
Good morning. You guys might notice that we are not at camp. That's because at 4 o'clock in the morning, someone knocked on the van telling us the tide was coming, and it was. So we left, packed up and left, and came up to the bluff where we actually were planning on camping. I don't know if you can see, but there's water at the current camp, and we've actually been enjoying just watching the surf since then. So it's a big day, big swell. We're getting some. It only happens once in a while, so it's kind of cool to watch. Okay, well we have had a long day here just watching waves. Greg got nothing because he didn't go out because it was huge all day, and now he is out of the bar. Good morning. I'm just having my tea. Greg went out early this morning to paddle. The waves looked a little smaller when we got up, so he's hoping to catch a few. Looks like it's getting crowded already, so we'll see how that goes. I'm using this soft packable down blanket by Get Out Gear, which I haven't really used until this trip. Really coming in handy for these cold Baja mornings.
I think I figured out my problem.
What's your problem?
Too many good people.
How was drowning?
It was okay.
They're all just taking off pretty deep.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are packed up again. Going out to that same point that Greg enjoyed the other day, because this morning was a little rough here. You're back.
Back.
You want to tell me about it?
I got 2 really good waves.
Where are we now?
Back in town. Probably gonna, you know, hang out, finish uploading a video.
That spot back there charges to camp, and this one is free. And we're gonna leave tomorrow, so we decided to just come back out to the spot where Brooke and Dan are and camp with them.
Air up, maybe get some more tacos.
4 days in a row? Jeez.
Can I take a day off?
No.
I wanted shrimp and they ran out. They only had it 1 day.
Convenient.
All right, everybody. We had a great morning here. I got an amazing little surf session in. Jess was doing yoga at the same time, so there's no evidence of this amazing surf session, but I promise it was good. We'll try and get some footage of surf later. But we are gonna hit the road and go eat a bunch of tacos with our friends here. And we're leaving this sweet spot. So that'll be a wrap for this video. Let's see if we can get this guy getting a wave here. He missed it. But yeah, that's a wrap for this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for taco time.